Episode 1. How to draw a cute fox. Hello everyone! Let's draw a cute fox in a simple way. We hope you'll follow along with me. Let's get started. Draw the head outline. Start by drawing a curved line that dips down in the middle, resembling a wide V shape. Then add a curve above for the fox's head. Then draw zigzag lines on both sides to create the cheeks, connecting them at the bottom to finish the head. The ears. Draw 2 triangles on top of the head for the ears. Keep going. Add the eyes. Draw 2 small circles inside the head for the eyes. Draw the body. Draw a large oval shape below the head for the body. Add the legs. Draw 2 vertical lines inside the body for the front legs. And add small ovals at the bottom for the paws. Draw the tail. Draw a curved line extending from the side of the body to form the tail. And add another curved line inside it to give it dimension. Add details and color. Add small details like the inner ear lines and color the fox. Typically, the body is orange, the paws are brown. Good work! You've got yourself an adorable fox. Enjoy drawing. See you later, friends. Don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you. Don't forget the nose right there. Goodbye.